Hi everybody, this is Shuling and my hair is messy. I just took a shower and then I messed it up. Yeah. Um so I'm gonna be playing the flute and the songs I'm gonna be playing is Sounds of Joy and Home on a Range. The first song I'm gonna play is Sounds of Joy, so I hope you guys like it. And let's
Yeah.
and yes, that's Alicia. Alicia, say hi.
Hi. People planning for a band concert along with me.
Yeah. As you can see that every video I have, kinda, I'm always talking to her. So,
Can you
yeah.
even see on the video?
Yeah.
I'm not kidding.
She's not kidding. Okay. So,
Just
let's
wake
get...
up at night.
What?
Nothing.
Okay.
Continue.
Okay, so let's get started.
Replay.
Nope. Let's get started.
That was a funny beginning.
Huh?
That's a funny beginning. I'll continue.
Okay. So, and my hair's messed up. Yes. Oh my god, what's this? Oh. What's this? Oh. Okay, it's gonna. Okay.
How long is on the small advertising list? I guess I'll take this one.
Yeah, that was a funny beginning, and yes, I was playing with my hair. So thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and bye.